Xleads is finally free. Well, kind of. What is up, guys? Zachkin here, and I'm super excited to announce Xleads basically giving away free Skiptraced records to everyone watching this video. This is a historic moment and an exciting opportunity for anybody looking just to get free Skiptraced records. This is really, in my opinion, the death of skip tracing. But what I'm excited to basically announce is a 7-day free trial to Xleads. But it's a lot more than that, because Xleads, compared to any other of these softwares, right? You get a 7-day free trial and it's kind of half done. You can't export, you can't really use it. You got to wait for the 7 days and then you can use it, and you can't really test the data out. And I'm so sick of people going out here and dealing with that. And also people saying, I don't think Xleads skip tracing is good as this one. Well, guess what? Xleads skip tracing is just as good, if not better, than all these other softwares. And people are like, well, this software has free dispositions. I'm like, well, go use that one and then go use the pro plan for Xleads. And I'm just going to give you the entire pro plan, the whole disposition suite of Xleads, absolutely for free for 7 days, so you can test it out and actually put my money where my mouth is. So I believe in Xleads skip tracing so much that in the 7-day trial that you get to go, just go to Xleads, you get it for free. You're going to be able to export 15,000 records skip traced for free if you get a free trial on the basic plan. If you decide you want a free trial on the pro plan, you're going to be able to get up to 25,000 skip trace records absolutely for free. You just get to export them if you want within 7 days, and you're pretty much good to go. If you are crazy and you want a free trial, that is right. If you want to cancel within 6 days, I am out a lot of money, but that's fine. You can export up to 60,000 skip trace records for free. So if you really want to say, yeah, I'm just going to stick it to Zach, go get the free trial to the X plan, and you are able to do 60,000 skip trace records. No questions, no games, my word, for free. So my gift to everybody on here is you are able to get 15,000 to 60,000 records absolutely for free. No costs, no games, nothing like that. You'll be charged after 7 days, obviously, for Xleads. And if you don't like to do that, if you are within 6 or 7 days of your trial and you want to cancel, you don't want to be charged at all, please email billing@xleads.com and you'll be good. I'm also giving everybody a 3-day refund policy after 7 days, just as wiggle room. If you got charged, like Zach, I didn't want to be charged. I got charged on the 7th day or the 8th day. Email billing@xleads.com, everything, all the info, and you will be refunded. No questions asked. I told them you're not allowed to ask a question. You just got to refund them. So that's pretty exciting. But the reason I'm just doing this is not here to sound salesy or tell you about, oh, Xleads is the best, because it is the best. But just as a gift, guys, I was never wanting to do a free trial on Xleads. I never wanted to do that because I have to pay every single time somebody skip traces. But there has come to a point where I truly believe that the skip tracing is so good that you need to compare it. Because I told everyone, cancel every other software. Like, whatever software you have, cancel it. And a lot of people say, well, I can't cancel it because I have to jump in faith and really trust Xleads. So have your software, get the free trial of Xleads, compare the skip tracing, and then jump ship and leave that software and then come to Xleads. That is how confident I am. I believe if you have whatever software you have now and you get a trial to Xleads, you try both of these softwares out, you're going to find that Xleads has better skip tracing, better pricing. And probably the most exciting part about this is you get Ninja Mode for free for 7 days also. Oh, snap. That's pretty cool, right? So you get e-signing for free for 7 days and you're good to go. The only stipulation to this is you are only able to do 2 trials a year. Unfortunately, we do put a limit on this, so you're only allowed to trial twice in a year. If you want an exception, email billing@xleads.com and it goes to me for an exception. If, hey, I need a third one because of some reason, I'll look at it and see if you're allowed to. But after that, you're pretty much good to go. So let me show you exactly how to get the free trial, how to access your 15,000 free skip trace records that no other software is doing at all, because they can't afford to. And I said, well, I can't do it because the software can't afford to. And then they said, Zach, you're a multimillionaire. You can suck it up, Buttercup. And I said, okay. So that's what I'm doing here. So you go to xleads.com. Right here's Xleads. And all you got to do is click the 7-day free trial button. Boom, you choose your plan. So if you want the annual plan, but you want it free for 7 days, you click sign up and you get sent here to get your free trial. So for the pro annual plan, right, you get it for free for 7 days, and then it'll charge you that much after 7 days. Remember, you get 3 days refund after that, but maybe you're like, Zach, come on, I need the monthly, bro. And so I'm like, okay, so you go back here. If you want the monthly, you just click this little tab and you go to the basic plan. So you click sign up, it'll take you to Stripe, and this is just our payment processor. You get it for 7 days for free. Then you get charged 7 days after that. That's pretty much it. You email billing at Xleads again if you want to cancel it, no problem at all there. And that is basically how you access it. Then in there, you're going to get an automatic email to sign up towards Xleads. From there, if you are ready to start getting your free Skiptraced numbers, all you have to do is go to Lead Pipes, go to Property Leads. If you have the Pro plan or the X plan, you're actually going to be able to actually use the investor leads too. But basically, let's just choose a market. Let's do Dayton, Ohio. So we're going to choose Dayton, Ohio. We are going to search the properties in Dayton. Okay. We're going to filter our list. Let's just do a really quick list. Let's do the delinquent taxes. Let's exclude. If you have a pro plan, you're allowed to exclude active listings and active investor owned. Okay. Let that load up. All right. You got 18,000. Okay. You're only like at 15,000. So we're going to do single family properties right here. We want to max the market value at 290. Oops. 290. Alrighty. Year built. We don't care. We are going to do individuals only. Years of ownership at least 3 years. Loan to value 40%. So remember, loan to value is kind of switched here. So if you want 60% equity, you want LTV max at 40. It's kind of flipped, but when you export the lead, it shows the equity if you want. So you don't want the loan to be more than 40% of the value of the property. And then from there, we're going to let this load up. We already got rid of that. And then from there, you're pretty much good. Now, it's only 5,000 delinquent taxes in Dayton. That's money right there. So what I'm going to do is just click select all. Awesome. I'm going to click my leads. I'm going to click download. I'm going to click standard. Now, this is really, really important for everybody. You see lead trace right here? This is where Zach starts getting broke. This is when money starts going really out of my bank account. So click that button to really hurt me. And yeah, click valuations too. If you're doing ROS offers in Ninja mode, which you're gonna be able to do for free, I click a lot of this stuff. You're pretty much good to go. And then click export. And the system will start generating the export. Remember, it's hitting the APIs currently. So it's gonna take a second. But if you're waiting for it, like Zach, it's taking a bit. All you have to do is, you see exports right here? You click that, and it is going to process your export, and then when it won't re-hit you too much. You can click download your previous one, and you're gonna be good to go. Let's just download an old one and give you an example here. Once you open it up, you are going to have your export record. This was actually somebody in Plano. I actually did they needed some help with it, so I actually exported some data for them. And you go all the way down here, obviously got their names. This is like for free, right? For the trial, this is what you're gonna see. You're gonna go all the way down here and then contact name, if they're DNC or not. Just still legally we have to tell you. And then the contact one phone number is going to be here, their email, and then their second phone number is going to be right there. And then their other phone numbers for the other contacts are going to be right there. So I don't want to show that. YouTube gets a little squirrely with it. So no big deal there. Then from there, if you have the pro trial, you're going to be able to click investor leads right here. And then once you click investor leads, if you have the pro annual or the X annual plans, you're able to actually unlock the other ones. But let's say we do Dayton, Ohio, which you're going to find this is the best disposition software out there. It actually works better than any other ones because this goes off of based on how many flips they're doing, not on a algorithm score, which really gets confusing because if somebody flipped one property, they get a crazy score for other softwares, which I think is stupid. This one actually shows raw data in the city, who's doing the most this year. Double E Tree Properties right here is an example. We got Red Rocket Homes, pretty cool. So let's see here. It looks like Double E Tree Properties has flipped 8 houses this year. They make 26 grand per profit. They made a total 210K in profit. They're buying houses for around 103,000. Wow, good buy for my dispo. Let's click it. Guess what happens? Boom, they are skip traced right there for you. And dang, you get their portfolio information, all this stuff. That is powerful. So if I just want to pull all the buyers here for Dayton, I can click select all here. Go to my leads, click download here, go to standard and lead trace, and boom, you're pretty much good to go. On top of this too, you can go to kind of like landlords over here, and let's search this up right here. And what's going to show is all the landlords in Dayton, Ohio. So you click that, and these are a lot of landlords. Now, we actually show hedge funds. Most other dispositions companies don't do that. I think that's stupid. But like, you could find a bunch of big hedge funds on here. Like, obviously this guy owns 543 properties. This is a good hedge fund if you want to go attack it, and they're buying a decent amount here, right? But you can also go in here and filter out how many properties you want them to own. So maybe I want a guy who only owns 10 max. You can go in here and filter that down a little more here. And what it's going to do is just filter that out. You got like Jeffrey R. Washington owns 10 properties. Like, hey, that's a dude I want to talk to, right? Or Richard Jagel, he owns 10 properties right there. Boom. Click it, and boom, his Skiptraced phone number stuff pops up right there. So that's pretty dang powerful. Now, I don't want to get a whole demo of Xleads. Just go to Xleads YouTube channel if you want to check it out. But one thing I will tell everyone to do is you click this little Ninja Mode tab right here. It's going to give you a Go High Level login access. Now, within 24 hours when you get your free trial, you are going to be able to get access to Ninja Mode. Now, it's 24 hours next business day because apparently my employees have to take off weekends and holidays, which, whatever. But you are able to go inside of Ninja Mode and actually use it. This is basically our white label of Go High Level. I think a lot of people they make it a secret. Oh, it's a Ninja Mode. It's not Go High Level. We built it on top of Go High Level because we're pretty obvious about it, right? You can transfer your old Go High Level account you're paying $200 a month for inside of here for free because you're paying $97 a month for the monthly, for the basic. You can transfer your $100 extra a month Go High Level or your $200 a month Go High Level. I've seen that before into Ninja Mode, and it is completely free. Costs no money. Just email billing at Xleads. They handle all the Go High Level stuff. You click that, and you're going to be able to get inside of Ninja Mode. Again, if you have a Ninja Mode question, our billing at Xleads.com team actually handles all that stuff. So let's break this all down. So once you actually get the email to sign up and get your information, you're going to be inside here of Ninja Mode. Remember, it's cost $150, $100, $200 extra a month. You get free unlimited skip tracing and the data side and the dispo side. It's just crazy to me. But from here, you can basically, if you want to start texting or calling sellers, you actually have to go into settings here and go to phone numbers. And then right here, you can actually start your A2P registration, and you can actually buy a phone number for about $1.20. The only way you can do this, again, if I want like a 561, I can put first number, 561 right here and apply. And you start buying phone numbers, which is cool. Now, remember this. You are going to have to put your credit card in if you want to start buying phone numbers, calling, texting, all these. It's just Go High Level, right? Like, I mean, the pricing is the pricing. I literally just have zero profit margins on this. I said don't upsell anyone. But you have to put your credit card in, and then you're going to have to start A2P by emailing billing at Xleads.com if you want. But if you just want to go free for 7 days, I would say the best thing you can do is just go to payments here, go to documents and contracts right here. And then from there, you can just do e-signing for 7 days for free, which is pretty dang cool. So if you go down here and you want to get something signed, where's the signatures here? Am I going crazy? Right there, cool. You can add a recipient. So you can add, let's say, Rick-in, right? You can add him as a recipient, then add a signature. Boom, he is going to get emailed right there to sign something, which is pretty dang cool. On top of this too, if we go back into the Go High Level, you can actually use it as a really cool CRM because Ninja Mode is awesome. You have all these different pipelines and opportunities, which are pretty cool. If I would just do my wholesaling, you put all your leads left to right there. You have your contacts. Right here, this little import tab, this is where you will import those exported Xleads information. You can map them. Boom, you're good to go. We have a ton of automations. I'm only going to show one right now. Remember, the entire Ninja Mode training is at Xleads.com. If you go to Xleads.com, there is a bunch of Ninja Mode training in there, but mostly the best Ninja Mode training is in freewholesaling.com. I have an Xleads section in there. And probably what I'd tell everyone to do is just go to the Xleads YouTube channel. It's going to be linked below. But the ROS triple tap's probably the best one we have right now. Once you put a tag on somebody, the ROS blaster, they get hit with an email, with an offer email, right? They get hit with an offer text, and then they get on the dialer. We'll drop a voicemail. You guys actually have permission to use my voice in this voicemail.
Hey, this is Zach, just checking in on your cash offer I just sent you. If you could please give me a call back at your earliest convenience, I'd really appreciate it. Again, this is Zach. Please give me a call. I got a cash offer your house. I need to get it done. I need to buy some houses right now. Please give me a call back. Thank you.
Boom. Beautiful, right? But you're able to do all that stuff in there. It does cost money to start texting and things like that. So I just tell you, don't put your credit card in if you don't want to be charged. But you're able to get all this absolutely for free. Now, if you click here, Ninja Mode Training is going to send you to the Xleads YouTube channel. Now, I invite everybody, every single Saturday at 10 o'clock Eastern, me and or Rick, or sometimes the both of us, we go live every Saturday at 10 a.m. on this Xleads YouTube channel. So if you just got a free trial and you want to get some training and questions or anything like that, just go to the Xleads YouTube channel. We just dropped a massive Ninja Mode tutorial, which is really, really dang cool. And we're dropping videos every single week in there and doing our weekly live streams. So make sure you subscribe to the Xleads YouTube channel if you have Xleads and if you want some training on it, or you're like, hey, I got the free trial, I want to use everything Xleads has to offer. We have a cool Xleads version 2 tutorial on there. But overall, guys, just go to xleads.com to sign up. This is awesome, super exciting stuff. Try it out for free and go even if you don't want to use Xleads and you think it's stupid, still export 15,000 free leads and then email billing@xleads.com and cancel on the 6th day. Like, I know as the guy that owns Xleads, I probably shouldn't say that, but as the guy that owns this YouTube channel that just wants you to succeed and get the best value, I don't think you can beat that value at all. So check it out, xleads.com, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, guys.